Well, good evening everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Mike Bass, and I hope everybody's having a great evening out there on this Tuesday evening. Okay, if you are a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and consider subscribing to my channel today. Also, I want to thank all my viewers I got, thank all my subscribers I got, and hope I continue to get them and keep on the climb. I need some help from y'all out there. If y'all can hit that subscribe button to get them numbers climbing, I would greatly appreciate it. Like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. In today's video, we're going to talk about the weather charts, the watches warning advisory map, the National Weather Service radar, and take a look at where it's raining or snowing or whatever precipitation at your location. And also, we're going to take a look at the Weather Prediction Center outlook for excessive rainfall for day 2 and day 3 outlook. Okay, well, let's dive on into the forecast now. We're looking at Wednesday, March 1st across the lower 48. Alrighty, here we go. We got snow extending from northern Maine all the way through Montreal, Canada, all the way back into North Dakota, South Dakota. Mixed precipitation extended through New Hampshire, New York, Toronto, Canada, Michigan, over to a portion of Wisconsin. Then we got showers and thunderstorms near the Boston area, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., down into Virginia, down into South Carolina, all the way back into Texas, extended all the way back up towards Chicago, Illinois. The red hatched area here is heavy rain / flash flooding. In the yellow slashed area, that's where severe weather is possible in that region. We have snow flying over here, over the Midwest, the upper Midwest, the Midwest, from Wyoming all the way to Idaho to Nevada, over toward Utah. Also, we have mixed precipitation through New Mexico, all the way back into Southern California. Also, we have mixed precipitation over here and snow falling over here near Washington and Oregon State, over toward Vancouver, Canada. And pretty quiet rest of the lower 48 in between. Okay, now let's take a look at day 3 outlook, March the 2nd. We got mixed precipitation, snow extending all the way from Maine all the way back into New Mexico. Got some freezing rain possible with PA back into Illinois. Showers and thunderstorms south of a cold front extending back from Virginia, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., back down into Carolinas, all the way back into Texas. The yellow slashed area, that's where the severe weather will be kicking up in that region. Flash flooding possible in the red slashed area. We have more mixed precipitation, snow falling over the upper Midwest from Vancouver, Canada, all the way down into a portion of Utah, all the way back over to northern Nevada, northwest California, and all the way back up to Seattle, Washington region. And in between, South Florida, South Georgia, most of y'all will be under sunny skies. Toward North Dakota, South Dakota, Minnesota, Montreal, Canada. High pressure dominating y'all region, so y'all should be A-OK. Alrighty. Now we're going to take a look at the watches warning advisory map across the lower 48. Alrighty, we got we have winter weather advisories over the Northeast, winter storm warnings over Maine all the way back down into New Hampshire. Also, we got winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings for northern Michigan, all the way back over to a portion of Montana. Have a wind advisory over southern South Dakota. We have red flag warnings over Texas, all the way back into southeast Colorado. We have a bunch of winter storm warning watches advisory, blizzard storm warnings extending from northwest Ohio through California, all the way down into New Mexico, Colorado, also Utah and Nevada. And pretty quiet across the rest of the southeastern United States, mid-Atlantic, and portion of the Midwest. Pretty quiet at this time. Okay, here's a look at the Doppler radar across the lower 48. We have that mixed precipitation, snow falling over to Maine and over into South Canada. Here's that mixed precipitation over the upper Midwest. And also here's that storm system over the Rockies and also back over toward California and the West Coast with mixed precipitation, snow, and rain in y'all's area. quiet across the lower 48 for southeastern United States, mid-Atlantic, and portion of the South. Okay, now we're going to look at the excessive rainfall outlook. We have green in the marginal risk. We have slight risk in the yellow. That means heavy rainfall is possible to lead into flash flooding. That's in any given location from 25 miles at any point in these areas. All right, let's take a look at day 3 on the outlook here. We have a marginal risk in the green, yellow slight risk, and a moderate risk in the red. And the moderate risk means at least 40%. A slight risk is less than 5%, and 15%, and a marginal risk is 5%. That's for any given location, 25 miles in that outlook area. Okay, well, I hope everybody has a great evening. If you enjoy these videos, smash the like and smash the subscribe button. I'm sorry I can't talk, folks, but anyway, I'm trying to give it a shot anyway. But anyway, like these videos, share these videos, and get them out to as many people as possible. And we'll catch you back in the next one.